So here's a video of our camping trip we had over the weekend. We didn't take too much videos and photos as we're just trying to enjoy our time and relax a little bit. We went on a canoe and we seen the northern lights the first night we were there, which was really amazing. They came out great. But here's a video of me and Ashley just trying to walk down and find a beach. It didn't look like it's too far down this trail, but it's really a lot farther than we thought, and we got lost a couple times because the map didn't add up too great that they gave us. But anyways, we had fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this little video I put together. You should walk down a hill for the video. Oh, the dog fell off. The puppy's sleeping, you got her. Daisy's biting.
And it's not Daisy, it's Diva.
So that was a video of our camping trip we had over the weekend. It was pretty fun and relaxing, and me and Ashley got to enjoy some time alone without the kids. They came Saturday night. But anyways, my lift is finally going to be in. There hopefully will be no more delays. Half of it's coming tomorrow, another half's coming the day after. So hopefully this weekend I'll have it all installed, and Monday hopefully I'll get the video edited, and Tuesday hopefully the video will be released of what the Jeep looks like before, which is now, and then after the lift's on. I don't get tires yet, so I'm still gonna have the 31s on it, but I'm looking for some 35s. I'm just trying to see, like, I'm gonna do some measurements and stuff once the lift's actually on there. I know online people say you can fit 40s and blah, 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 but I'm just gonna get the lift on and see what I feel like I can fit on there, because I wanna have some room to flex up and down. I don't wanna be just smashing fenders and all that stuff. Anyway, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video, and subscribe to the channel, and look forward to the next video. Have a great day.